back to my channel. I'm Melissa from Coz-E Creations. Today I want to show you how to make some simple, easy business cards at home so you can do them on a budget and you don't have to order and wait till they can order. They're definitely not like as high quality as some as if you ordered them from professional, but they do work. I put these in my orders, my online orders, or I take them to craft fairs. If you're going to craft fairs, these are great to have. The business cards, you just want to have them. You have all your information. I have my Etsy shop, my Facebook page, my Instagram page, and my email, so that people can get a hold of me. You can put whatever kind of information you want on there, but those are the main ways for people to find me, so that's what I put on there. And so first of all, you're going to need a few things. You are going to need some cardstock. Just regular old cardstock. I get my cardstock from Walmart, but you can order it off Amazon or get it at Staples or wherever. It doesn't matter. You'll need a printer, just a regular old printer. I just have a basic everyday printer, a laptop or a computer. It makes it easiest because that's how I'm going to show you today, is with a laptop. And then you'll need some sort of scissors or a paper cutter. Scissors. I do have a paper cutter as well, because I just like that easier. Or if you don't want to use cardstock, you can use business card paper, and that comes already perforated, so you don't have to cut it. You just fold it and tear it once you're done. You also need printer ink. Make sure your printer has ink, otherwise this won't work. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so first we are going to go into Canva. Canva is a free website that you can make all sorts of posts and pictures and everything. You're gonna go here and you can search business card to pick your design. You can pick any one of their templates, or you can just pick a blank one. I'm gonna go back over here. I already have one picked, so made, so I'm gonna go to all my designs, come down here to my business card, and I'm gonna click on it. Okay, here it is. We have pages 1 and 2. You can play around, add everything you want. These are elements. I just searched Instagram, email, whatever, and then added them in, resized them, lined them up, added in text, added in my logo, and we're good to go. So there's page 1, page 2, and so now we are going to go to we are going to save this. Never mind, sorry. We're going to save this. We're going to hit download, and we're going to go change it to a PNG. Then you're going to download them separately. So you're going to go page 1, download. Then you're going to go here, you're going to go download again, change it to PNG again. Page 2, done, download. Okay, so now you will have your downloads. Okay, so now we're going to open up a blank Word document in Microsoft Word. We're going to go here and go to mailings, click labels. Okay, so you're going to go over here, you're going to select your type of label. We're going to go Avery Labels 28371. Click on them, select new document, insert picture from file, select your page 1, insert. Then you are going to move it into your cell by changing the setting to tight, and it will move over. Then you copy and paste it into the rest of the cells, and make sure you are moving them so that they line up with their cells as well. Paste the rest of them. You're going to do this for your whole page. Okay, and we are almost done. Okay, so now you have all your cells full. You are going to want to highlight the whole document, highlight it, go up here to the borders tool and select all borders.
This will give you the lines in your documents that show up when you print. Then you're going to want to save as. I always save it as business cards page 1. Save it as a document so that you can use it again, and then you're going to want to print it.
Okay, so now our business cards are printing. This is going to be page 1. So there they are. We have our business cards. We're going to flip them over. Make sure mine prints top to bottom. So we're going to flip it upside down, put it back in, and now we're going to make our page 2.
Okay, page 2 is basically the same as page 1. You're going to open up another Word document. You're going to do a blank document, go to mailings, hit labels. It should be the same labels, but make sure you click them and do new document. Insert your page 2 and do the same thing as you did with page 1 and fill the entire document. Okay, so once you get the whole document filled, paste them all in the cells. Make sure they're in there correctly, just like page 1. Okay, and then you're going to save that one as well and save it as page 2. And then you're going to go ahead and print this one as well.
Okay, so now we have our sheet of business cards, front and back. I didn't do the lines on the back because the lines on the front will work. If you hold it up to the sun, you can kind of see that they line up pretty good. So we're going to bring it over here to our paper cutter. We are going to cut them. Okay, so now we have our business cards. I cut them on my paper cutter. I got front and back. If you want to do a different design and not put all your information on the front and back, you can do that. I normally leave mine blank on the back. I just did this so I could show you how to put them on the back. But there you have it, business cards. If you use the business card paper, you don't have to cut them. But we have some simple, easy, cheap business cards. And you can do them at home and you can have them done within a matter of minutes. Okay, so we have our business cards done now. I hope you found that very helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I did include a full blog post where I wrote it step by step out. So if you'd rather read it and look at pictures instead of watching a video, you can do that as well. Give me a thumbs up and hope you subscribe if you liked it. And I'll be back with more patterns and tutorials. This one will be my next pattern that I'm hoping to put out next week maybe. I need to get a better stand for to hold my phone to record, because if you saw my last tutorial video, it was a little iffy, so I'm hoping to get a stand by then. So thanks. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. Hope to see you next time.